Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to change font size in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to change font size in WhatsApp chat or message, first you'll be required to open the WhatsApp app itself. And after opening your WhatsApp, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and tap on the settings option available for us over here. And over here, guys, you can see there is the chats option available for us. Now in order to change font size in WhatsApp, first tap on the chats, and you can see over here, if you scroll down, there is the font size available for us just below the media visibility. Tap on font size. Currently I had large. Now let's change it to medium, or let's change it to small, and let's go back and open up a chat box, and you can see there are small texts available for us over here. And this is the way you will be able to change font size in WhatsApp, guys. And otherwise, this is how to change font size in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.